Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Buckle up, AI enthusiasts, because today's a game changer. Meta just dropped a bombshell with the unveiling of Llama 3. Forget just raw processing power. Llama 3 aspires to be the AI assistant that truly gets you, understanding your needs and requests like a best friend. What is Llama 3? So, what exactly is this innovative AI system? Imagine a brain on steroids, trained on a colossal dataset of text and code. This grants Llama 3 the ability to understand the nuances of language, navigate context like a seasoned detective, and even tackle complex tasks we usually take for granted. Here's a real-world example. You're planning a dream trip to Italy. Forget clunky translation apps. Ask Llama 3 to translate restaurant reviews, capturing the local flavor and humor. Need help crafting a charming email to a local bed and breakfast? Llama 3 can whip that up in seconds, ensuring a smooth and personalized first impression. Feeling inspired and want to write a postcard home? Describe the breathtaking Tuscan vista. And Llama 3 can craft a beautiful sonnet that would make Shakespeare proud. Why is it different? Now, Meta claims Llama 3 sets itself apart in a few key ways. First, it's supposed to be a master at deciphering your actual needs, even if your instructions are a little messy. Imagine asking, "Find me a funny movie that won't make me cry." Most AIs might struggle, but Llama 3 is designed to decipher your intent and deliver the perfect comedy pick-me-up, taking your emotional preferences into account. Second, say goodbye to frustrating dead ends. Meta boasts that Llama 3 will have a significantly lower false refusal rate. This means it'll be less likely to tell you it can't complete a task. Think of it as a persistent and helpful friend, always willing to tackle your requests with a can-do attitude. Finally, get ready for diverse responses. Llama 3 promises a range of answers, so you won't get stuck in a loop of the same dull reply every time. Imagine asking for recipe suggestions for a dinner party. Llama 3 can offer options ranging from gourmet meals to impress your guests, to quick and easy one-pot wonders that still pack flavor, depending on your needs and time constraints. How can you use it? This all sounds incredible, but how do you actually interact with Llama 3? Here's the exciting part. Meta is building Llama 3 into a brand new AI assistant called Meta AI. This means you'll be able to chat with Meta AI on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and likely even more platforms down the line. Imagine seamlessly using Meta AI to schedule a Facebook event for a local language exchange meetup you found through Llama 3's translation assistance. Need to translate a WhatsApp message from your Italian host in real time? Meta AI can handle that with ease. Feeling creatively stuck with your Instagram caption for that perfect gelato picture? Brainstorm creative ideas with Meta AI and let it suggest playful captions that capture the moment. The possibilities are truly endless. While there's no official confirmation yet, rumors suggest Meta AI might even integrate with search engines like Google and Bing in the future. This could potentially allow you to use voice commands powered by Llama 3 to search the web directly for travel tips or cultural insights, all while planning your next adventure. The competition. How does Llama 3 stack up? Now, Meta claims Llama 3 is the most intelligent AI assistant that you can freely use. But let's hold on a second. AI is still a rapidly evolving field. We'll have to see how Llama 3 performs compared to other big names like ChatGPT in user experience and overall effectiveness. However, Meta's focus on understanding your intent and reducing dead ends is definitely promising. We're eager to see how Llama 3 stacks up against the competition in real-world scenarios. So, what do you think about Llama 3? Are you excited about the potential of this new AI assistant? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in AI technology. Thanks for watching.